New to skincare, these beginner mistakes can quietly worsen your skin. It's so exciting to start a new routine, but it's also easy to get a little overzealous and accidentally do more harm than good. We've all been there. Today, we're going to break down the top errors and give you simple fixes to get your skin glowing the right way. Just a quick reminder, this is for educational purposes only and not medical advice. If you have serious skin concerns, it's always best to chat with a dermatologist. Okay, let's get into it. Most problems, from redness to dryness to breakouts, start when the skin barrier gets stressed. What's that? Think of it as a tiny protective brick wall. It's designed to keep hydration in and all the bad stuff like pollution and bacteria out. When that wall gets damaged, everything starts to go wrong. So our main goal is to protect that barrier. Which leads us to mistake 1, washing too often or with a cleanser that's way too harsh. It feels like you're getting your skin extra clean, but what you're really doing is stripping away its natural, healthy oils. This leaves your barrier weak and vulnerable. The fix is beautifully simple. Wash gently. For most people, twice a day is plenty. Use lukewarm water, hot water is a barrier wrecker, and when you're done, gently pat your face dry with a soft towel. No aggressive rubbing. That brings us to mistake 2, using rough scrubs and aggressive rubbing in general. Those gritty scrubs with sharp particles can feel effective, but they often create tiny, invisible micro tears in your skin, leading to irritation and inflammation. Here's the fix. Treat your skin like silk, not a dirty plate. Whether you're cleansing, applying a serum, or moisturizing, use gentle, upward motions. Your skin is a delicate organ, so handle it with care. Now for a huge one, mistake 3, using too many actives at once. You hear about AHAs, retinoids, and vitamin C, and you want all the benefits right now, but piling them on top of each other is a fast track to a red, angry, irritated face and a completely compromised skin barrier. The fix is all about patience. Change only one thing at a time in your routine. When you introduce a new active product, give your skin at least 1 to 2 weeks to adjust before you even think about adding something else. Go slow. Next up, mistake number 4, skipping moisturizer, especially after washing. A lot of people with oily skin make this mistake, thinking it will make them greasier, but it's actually the opposite. After you wash, water evaporates from your skin, and if you don't lock it in with moisturizer, your skin can get dehydrated and produce even more oil to compensate. The fix couldn't be easier. Moisturize right after cleansing while your skin is still a little damp. This seals in that hydration and keeps your barrier happy. A simple, fragrance-free formula is a perfect starting point for any beginner. Alright, mistake number 5, forgetting sunscreen. This is probably the most critical mistake you can make for the long-term health of your skin. UV rays are around every single day, even when it's cloudy, and they are the primary cause of premature aging, dark spots, and the breakdown of your skin's essential collagen. The fix is non-negotiable. Wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every single morning as the very last step of your routine. And if you're spending time outside, make sure you reapply it every couple of hours. And finally, a quick roundup for mistake number 6, bad habits. This includes picking or squeezing blemishes, which only drives bacteria deeper and causes scarring. It also includes sleeping in your makeup, which clogs pores and prevents your skin from repairing itself overnight. The fix is simple. Hands off your face, and always, always wash your makeup off before bed. Feeling a little overwhelmed? Don't be. Here's the takeaway. The perfect beginner routine has just 3 essential steps: cleanse, moisturize, and SPF. That's it. Nail that simple routine, stay consistent, and you will be protecting your skin barrier and on your way to healthy, happy skin. If you found this helpful, comment GLOW for more simple tips. Thanks for listening.